In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz on Canva. By the end, you will have a clean, engaging quiz ready to share with your audience. First, open Canva. On the home screen, pick a design type to house your quiz. Presentations are great if you plan to show the quiz live or in a meeting. Social media posts work well if you are sharing on platforms where people can respond in comments. Choose whatever format best matches where your quiz will live. This choice sets your canvas size and layout. So it's worth a moment to think about how people will see and interact with it. Next, look to the left sidebar and click the Templates tab. In the search bar, type Polls and Quizzes. You'll see a range of ready-made layouts designed for questions and answer choices. Browse a few to find a style that fits your tone: playful, minimalist, or bold. Hover to preview multiple pages if they're available, then click the template you like. When it opens, click Edit in the toolbar to start customizing. Now, tailor the content. Click directly on any text box to rewrite the questions and the answer options. Keep questions short and specific, so they're easy to read at a glance. If you need more questions, duplicate a page so your layout stays consistent. Define the correct answers within your design by clearly marking them. Use a check mark, a highlight color, or a small note off to the side if you are preparing an answer key version. Consistency helps your audience follow along, so keep the layout of answers in the same order across pages. From here, customize the look to match your brand. Update colors using the color picker so your buttons, backgrounds, and highlights feel cohesive. Swap fonts to match your style, and make sure text is large enough to read. You can replace any placeholder images with your own visuals or search elements for icons that reinforce the question topic. Aim for high contrast between text and background for readability, and leave enough white space so nothing feels crowded. When your quiz looks polished, it's time to share it to gather responses. Click Share and choose the option that suits your plan. You can share a view link for people to open and respond verbally or in comments. Present it live and have participants choose answers in real time. Or download it as images or a PDF to post on social platforms and invite replies. Add a clear prompt with how you'd like people to answer. That's it. Thanks for watching.